So this is the final video in the three-part videos of part 3, A, B, and C. Again, apologies, there was issues with my editing software that resulted in me breaking this video up across 3 videos. Anyhow, this is the final part. Hope you enjoy. So I've gone ahead and reseated all the chips. We're back over at the computer on the other table, and we'll just get it stuck into a slot here. This is a very clumsy mechanical configuration to work in. It'd be really difficult to get in here and probe around. Let's just see. Hopefully it'll still power up. So no change. I'm not actually surprised by that. There's a couple of things to note here. If we go to 12, we should still see... Oh, I'm in the wrong memory block. 040000. And now if we go to 12, am I still seeing the... Yes. So odds are this is a bad SRAM chip. I say that for a couple of reasons. If there was a core issue on the card with a power supply, I would have expected the card to not work at all, although with the split 7805 regulators, it may be one of them's noisy and causing those RAMs to act up. I'm guessing this card can be installed in 4, 8, 12, or 16K modes, which would mean one block of chips represents a full address space of the 4K space, and this isn't like interlacing between them or something. The fact that there's multiple bits having issues here is interesting. It's not a single bit failing. Again, I don't know if these are, 4K by 1 or 1K by, I just don't know. I don't know what the layout of the chips are. If the board was completely bad, it wouldn't work. If there was an issue with maybe some of the bus buffers, ooh, that was interesting. I'm actually pointing at things and it's not on camera. I'll tilt the camera up a bit. If it was actually one of these buffers over here, there's some bus buffers, that kind of stuff along the edge over here. If one of those was completely bad or flaky, I would expect to see that at every address. And we just don't. Octal 12. Octal 23. I mean, that is an interesting kind of pattern that's evolving there. I don't know if it'll tell us anything. And again, I'm foolish for not jumping off to the schematic here. And so Octal 12, Octal 23. Well, apologies, the camera just tried to pop out of the mount. Octal 33. Sorry about the fingers in the way. This is going to go to Octal 43. Where we see the flakiness again. No. And the camera just moved in the mount again. With the new camera, I haven't built a custom mount for it yet. So that's interesting, just those 2 or 3 bytes are being implicated here. Alder 000, and it wrote it. Alder 000, it wrote nothing there, it's just noise. Alder 000. The fact that it's address 12 there is interesting. That's 00, 010, 011. So I've taken the 3 addresses in octal that were coming up here, and it is the most significant byte of the address space, and just wanted to look at the bit pattern to see if anything telling is occurring there. Nothing really is. I think the next bet is schematic a bit of analysis, and go from there.